Here's a nice example of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, the Winton area in fact. Rules in millimetres. Interesting piece. I think that piece of boulder will grind off there and you've got a stone up the top. Over here's nice big flashy stone. Another little small one over there perhaps. There's nothing else in it I don't think. This material's been blocked out of bigger pieces, but basically I think there's a stone. Looking at there. Oops. Some of these are picture stones. You can see here where the water opal concentrations come into the stone and then not filled this part. It's a great example of not filling right up. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.